Hi guys, Julie here from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use all of your yarn scraps and crochet this Miu Miu inspired scrunchie. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, share and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload something new. And now let's get started with the tutorial. To make this Miu Miu inspired hair scrunchie, you are going to need yarn scraps. I have all kind of different yarn scraps and I tied them with a knot. To have this magic ball, in addition to the yarn, you are also going to need a 3mm crocheting hook. You are going to need yarn needle, a pair of scissors, and you are also going to need a hair tie. And if you want to crochet yourself a Miffy trinket dish, it is a free tutorial available on my channel. To get started, you are going to chain a total of 60, so 60 chains, and then you are going to yarn over and start into the fourth chain from the hook, so 1 2 3 in this chain right here, and make a double crochet, and then make one double crochet in each chain across till the end of the first row. Once you're at the end of your first round, so you want to make sure that all of your knots are looking on one side of the work, so that you have a right side and a wrong side without twisting your first row. We are now going to join to create a circle. So go into the third chain with a slip stitch, and then you are going to chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and you are going to yarn over and make one double crochet on top of each double crochet from the previous round. So from now on we are going to be working in the rounds. So once you're at the end of the round, I still have one stitch left, you are just going to slip stitch to your third chain like so, and then chain 3 to start off. This is your first double crochet, and then again you are just going to be making one double crochet in each double crochet from the previous round, and you are going to do this for a total of 14 rounds, or as many double crochet rounds as you want. Now once you've made your rounds, you are going to decide if you want to have this as your right side of the work, or if you want to have this messy look on the outside of the scrunchie. So I'm going to go with this. Now you are going to fold your work like so, your sleeve like so. Basically it is a sleeve, like a sleeve. And we are also going to place our hair tie inside of it. So hold your work like so, and then just place it inside. Like so. And I want to kind of maneuver this around so that my work is going to look something like this. And now we are going to slip stitch the edging together. So take your loop again and just fold your work and hold it like so. And now I'm going to chain 1 and then go into the same stitch, and the stitch on the other side of the edging, and slip stitch, and then into the next stitch on one side, the next stitch on the other side of the edging, and slip stitch. So you are just going to make one slip stitch in each stitch to close this tube, so that it creates a scrunchie. Once you've reached the end of the last round of your join, you are just going to chain one and fasten off like so, and take your yarn needle and just weave this loose end in, and that's it. Now I'm going to kind of hide my joining on the inside of the scrunchie. I maneuver this on the inside, and that's it. You've just made a beautiful scrunchie using all of your yarn scraps. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today, and I see you soon with a new tutorial. Bye bye.